trying the reverse cat eye trend.
I'm taking the Benefit Hoola bronzer to bronze up my lids, and I'm not going overboard and just blending it all really well. After which I'm taking the MAC Graphic Black Kajal and just dragging it through the waterline and then quickly smudging it all out with a brush before it dries out. I'm also taking a flat brush to drag the outer line to give that feline effect. Taking the Hoola bronzer, I'm again blending the edges really well, not forgetting to tightline the upper lid. Adding some mascara and also finishing up the lid with some glitter shadow, which looks gorgeous by the way. Because I'm keeping the rest of the look really neutral, I'm going ahead with one of my most favorite nude lipstick and adding some clear gloss and finishing it all up with a setting spray to lock everything in.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.